Library. The library plays a key role in your learning. It has all the information and resources you might need to successfully complete the continuous assessment and the final projects and tests. You can access it from any device, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The UOC Libraries collection is wide-ranging. It includes hundreds of scholarly articles, e-journals, recommended reading for your courses, and a wide selection of books and DVDs. You can take items out on loan. And if you can't find the book you're looking for in our collection, we can get it for you from the libraries we have agreements with in the rest of Spain and abroad. You can access the library from the virtual campus or from the UOC homepage. If you have any doubts, get in touch with the Library Reply Service. They'll get back to you within 48 hours.